Don't miss the Mods team's latest, greatest mega open house. It's at 885 Norwegian Wood Drive, Medina, Ohio, 44256. It's Sunday, July 20th from noon to 2 p.m. And it's located in Beatles theme allotment, Strawberry Fields. And there's streets called, of course, Norwegian Wood, Yesterday, and Imagine. Pretty cool. And this totally rehabbed home has just been totally gone over, freshened colors and details throughout the home in the last 2 weeks. Plus, this rehabbed home has new windows, new doors, new furnace, new AC, new hot water tank, sump pump, and a newer roof and gutters, and even gutter guards for peace of mind. And the main level boasts an open layout, ideal for entertaining. In the dining room, it's got a dramatic architectural feature that adds character and charm. And the chef's kitchen is a true showstopper and features quartz countertops, new cabinetry, a center island, and a walk-in pantry. And the spacious living room is warmed by this elegant electric fireplace, while the convenience of a first floor laundry room and two-car garage just adds everyday ease to your world, really. Upstairs, all 3 bedrooms offer vaulted ceilings for a spacious, airy feeling, and the master suite is a true retreat. It's got a large walk-in closet, a spa-inspired in-suite bathroom, and pamper yourself in a wet room, complete with a rainfall shower and a soaking tub. The finished lower level actually is a rec room and provides a perfect space for a media room, a playroom, or a gym, whatever you need. And the deck views a large fenced-in backyard for you to enjoy. So don't miss our latest mega open house, 885 Norwegian Wood Drive, Medina, Ohio, 44256, Sunday, July 20th from noon to 2 p.m. We'll see you there.